What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. First, go ahead and open a Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you see your profile icon. This could be your Bitmoji or just a placeholder icon if you haven't set up your Bitmoji yet. Tap on that icon and this will take you to your profile page. Now, on the top right corner of your profile page, you'll notice a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open your account settings. You'll want to scroll all the way down until you find the option to log out of your current Snapchat account. Once you've found the logout button, tap on it to log out. At this point, if you've logged in with a different Snapchat account before, you will see an option to easily switch between accounts. Snapchat allows you to store multiple login credentials, so you can just select the other account and log in with a single tap. This is very convenient if you're someone who regularly switches between personal and work accounts, or just maintains separate profiles for different purposes. However, if this is your first time trying to log in with a different Snapchat account, things are a little different. After logging out, look toward the bottom of the login screen. You'll see an option labeled Use Other Account. Tap on this and it will prompt you to manually enter the login credentials for the Snapchat account you want to use. Just enter the username and password and you'll be logged into the new account. From here, you can repeat the process whenever you need to swap between accounts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.